How to create an account in Claude AI. Now, in order to create an account in Claude AI using a different method, if you do not use Google, you can use your Apple account and your email. Now, if you have Google account and you can use that, you can see the previous video that is uploaded in the channel. Now, if you want to use Apple account, it will be right here in the place of continue with Google if you use iOS devices, or if you want to use the email address, simply enter your email address in this box. For example, let's enter my email address right here and then tap to this button right here. And once you do this, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You just simply need to check that and enter the code in here. And once you enter the code, you just simply need to create a password for your account and it will be created this easily. Now, this is how you can create an account in Claude AI using a different method. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.